Welcome to DevTech 101, aka Black Mantle, as we discuss information technology, also known as IT. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the command line tool to find your computer name. This could be helpful for anyone that's going to be doing a little bit of network setups, or you just want it for your own information. Also, I've seen it to come in very, very good use, especially when you're working with new end users who are not as computer savvy and they have a hard time finding the computer name. This would be the video to watch. Let's go ahead and get started. So one of the first things that you want to do, you want to look up when you're doing this is I have command line pulled up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to exit out of this, and I want you to be able to follow along with me from your computer as well. Now this is going to be for the Windows environment, so please keep that in mind as we're going through the video itself. Okay, so say you are on your desktop screen, and what you have on your desktop screen is you have your icons in the background. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go over here to the little magnifying glass, or you can hit the Windows key and the letter R. That's going to bring up this window here. We type CMD, and you don't need administrative rights in order to do this, but if you run the other commands, you can. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and hit command prompt there. Now, keep in mind that we now have the command prompt window open, so find the computer name is just one simple command away. So what we're going to do is we're going to just simply type host name. When you type host name, right underneath it, you're going to see your computer name there. And that's it, people. Pretty much this command works on most operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now, there you have it. This is your computer name. This is what you can use in order to give that IT professional that's helping you out. So if you ever have end users who need to know where to find the computer name, oftentimes what I've seen in my experience is when you ask end users what is their computer name, they'll give you the model of the computer, which could be an HP or Dell or a Mac, but they don't know how to actually find the actual name of the computer. This is a step that you can use from the end user standpoint in order to find it. For the new IT pros out there, this is a way for you to quickly get the username of the computer as well. Now, one of the other ways that people primarily end up getting the username is they end up coming over to the computer itself. They go to the File Explorer, and what they do in the File Explorer is once they have the File Explorer window open up here, what they will end up doing is they will end up coming over and they will right click this PC, and then they're going to go to properties, and then once they're in properties, they're going to then see the computer name that's going to be listed in this window, and it's going to be right here at the top as device name right there. That's another location for the computer name itself. So people, that pretty much wraps up today's video. I hope that you actually like the content, and please don't forget to like, listen, and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come soon. Thank you all for watching, and you have a wonderful rest of your day, evening, or afternoon.